It's the 35th session of Industrial Economics. This session is related to role and functions of SFCs. First of all, introduction of SFCs. Under the provision of the State Financial Corporation Act 1952, the SFCs are set up in the different states for providing finance to medium and small scale industries. There are 18 SFCs, including the Tamil Nadu Industrial Investment Corporation Limited, operating in 17 different states and Delhi, that is a union territory. The SFCs are under the hierarchical control of the state government and the IDBI. The SFCs have functions similar to those of the IFCI. They are empowered to provide financial assistance in the form of loans and advances, subscriptions to share and debentures, underwriting of new issues, and guarantee of loans. But in practice, they have concentrated mostly on loans and advances only. There is therefore a need for reorientation of their loans policy. So, objectives of the SFCs are to establish uniformity in regional industries, to provide incentives to new industries, to bring efficiency in regional industrial units, to develop regional financial services, to provide finance to small scale, medium sized, and cottage industries in the state. So there will be some objectives of the SFCs. The next part is functions of the SFCs. It grants loans and advances to industrial concerns that are repayable within the maximum period of 20 years. This one is the first function. Second one is it subscribes the shares and debentures of industrial concerns. Third one, it underwrites the shares and debentures of the industrial concerns. Fourth one, it guarantees loans raised by the industrial concerns repayable within 20 years. Fifth one, guarantees deferred payments for purchase of capital goods with India. Sixth one, it acts as an agent of the state and central government. So after the functions of the SFCs, the next part of this session is the major beneficiaries of the SFCs, which are as follows: food processing, textile, chemical and chemical products, metal production. Next part is role of the SFCs. The role of the SFCs can be explained with the following points. The first point is it receives from the international treasurer and or the secretary general all proposals on the financial management of WILPF submitted to the EXCOM. Second one, review and investigate. Third one, recommend to the EXCOM on financial matters referred to it. Fourth one, it provides leadership to the financial risk assistance of WILPF. Fifth one, it receives auditors' reports and, if necessary, liaise with auditors. Sixth one, liaise with staff when necessary and make inquiries at its sees fit. Seventh one, it monitors and reports to the EXCOM on the financial management of WILPF, including internal controls. Eighth one, it ensures that recommendations of auditors are implemented. We can summarize this session by saying the SFCs have made significant contributions in developing industrial sector, including the SSI sector in India, for well over past 5 decades. Attempts are now being made to strengthen and improve the effectiveness of SFCs as regional development banks.